An update on our exclusive reporting about the Baltimore ICE detention facility. Tonight, attorneys who sued over the conditions say things are finally improving, thanks in part to our coverage. Chief investigative reporter Eric Flack has more on what's changed and what's next for the people being held there.
Miren cómo nos tienen aquí. Miren migración cómo nos tienen.
For the first time since this video of overcrowding inside ICE holding rooms at their facility in Baltimore went viral, attorneys from the Amica Center for Immigrant Rights says it appears ICE is complying with a court order to improve conditions. This comes just weeks after a federal judge ruled what was happening inside those holding rooms was unconstitutional, a violation of detainees' Fifth Amendment rights, and ordered immediate reforms.
Maximum capacity of the hold rooms went from somewhere that we believe was between 130 to 200 in practice to 56 people. So everyone has enough room now to be able to move and lay down.
Weeks before the ruling, Fabel Lemus spent 6 days in that same Baltimore holding room. He came to the country from Guatemala 37 years ago, owns a home repair business in Maryland, but never gained legal status and now faces a removal order.
You don't have a space. You got to stay in the middle from the legs. Sometimes, you got to stay like that.
Shoulder
like
to
that.
shoulder?
Yeah.
Legs to legs?
And you got to turn like that. If you want to sleep, you got to sleep this way. This way. And a lot of people sleep like that.
Standing up?
Yep.
While he was there, Lemus says detainees took turns giving each other room to sleep on a concrete floor and that there was no shower for the entire 6 days he was held. He says he saw others who had been there 2 weeks without one.
You feel like an animal. No, I think the animals, the dogs or wherever, people care about these dogs, but these people, they don't care about us.
Earlier this year, a security guard who worked inside the facility spoke exclusively with WUSA 9, describing what the viral video didn't capture.
I saw people laying in feces, people throwing up, people laying in urine.
That whistleblower's account made its way into court filings, and on March 6th, the judge issued the preliminary injunction. The Amica Center says ICE's first move was to clear the facility entirely, although lead attorney Amelia Dagan says people are now being detained there again under improved conditions.
I remain concerned about the conditions there. Our injunction wasn't able to cover every count that we were concerned about, but I am very pleased with the result of this hearing, and it is making an immediate impact on the ground for the community in Maryland.
Attorneys say this case is far from over. There are still concerns about detainee access to lawyers, as well as clean food and water. Those are issues the injunction does not cover. They will continue to push for those improvements as this case moves forward. Eric Flack, WUSA 9.